Johto Johnny's the name, Pokemon is the game. Hey Johto Lee, hope you're all doing great. Please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always Jotified for the next video. Johto Elite, today we have a pack battle. And it's not like any other pack battle. It's against JDSTATECCM90. And guess what we're pack battling? A Marnie box. I was like, dude, you serious? You want to pack battle a $50 box? Yes. Johto Johnny, I want to. We need to. Let's do it. Okay, my man. Jim and Nicole are nothing short but amazing. That makes any sense what I just said. But they are absolutely amazing people. We just went there again for the second time. We had a blast. We went to a lot of stores looking for Pokemon. We love Pokemon. So what else brings us together than Pokemon? So Jim's like, Johto Johnny, man, let's do some videos. I was like, bro, I got to get home, you know, this and that. So we decided we were going to pack battle a Marnie box. I was like, Jim, let's do it. So, a little background on Jim and Nicole. Met them about 8 to 10 months ago. I've been to their house twice now. They're an amazing couple. I love them. Very good friends. Might as well call them family. If you have not subscribed, you need to subscribe to JDSTATECCM90. I will make sure I put their link, their video in the description. If I forget, then it will be in there within that day. So please make sure you check out their channel. It's going to be a viewer's choice. Let's get into this. I assume if any of us pull a Zard, we're automatic winners. But I'm just excited. I finally get to open a Marnie box. I didn't have to pay above retail for it. So I'm very, very happy right now. So this is all just a bonus. Those are the promos, the Morpeko and Grimmsnarl. Johto Johnny has a new card mat for the channel for all of you. So that's going to be fun. I'm going to leave the tape right on there. 8 packs. We get these beautiful, beautiful pins. They wouldn't mind coming out here. Let me just show you the code. There you go. There's the code for bots or whoever gets it. Again, JDSTATECCM90. Very good friend of ours, Johto Elite. Very loyal Johto Elite members. So, let's see what happens here. I have not watched many Marnie box openings because I get a little upset. I get a little jealous because I haven't been able to find any. But now I did. So, I don't know if any Zards have been pulled, but let's see what happens. First card, Energy, Sharpedo, Piers, Hatcham, Nickit, Ekans, Carvana, Swablu, Vulpix, Sharpedo, Hatterene. It's the holographic. I knock over my full art Zard I just opened before. And if you enjoy the videos, please make sure you leave a big thumbs up. Johto Johnny's not trying to choke here. Leave a nice thumbs up for Jim and Nicole. If you go over there and subscribe, make sure you tell them Johto Johnny sent you. Really great friends, great people. Scorch holographic. So far, Jim, Marnie does not look too good for me, my man. Johto Elite, who hangs in there and watches the lives, I appreciate you. I appreciate all of you. You're just amazing. You're an amazing community we built. And hopefully we keep adding on and on and on to it. Machop, Roly-Coly, Carvana, Hyper Potion, Altaria holographic. We got to get one good pull, hopefully. At least, you know, make it look good. A rainbow or something. You know, Johto Elite? We got to make it look good. We can't just let Jim and Nicole stomp on us. Either way, it's a fun, you know, it's a fun time. It's always a great day opening Pokemon cards. We know that. But we at least want to go down with a fight, you know? Lipard, Suspicious Food Tin, Roly-Coly, Nickit, Akans, Carvana, Swablu, Lipard, Machamp. It's not a Champion's Path opening without Machamp holographic. Well, for Johto Johnny anyways. And we got 4 more packs. There's the code. Energy. Sonia. Sharpedo. Arbok. Roly-Coly. Nickit. Ekans. Carvana. Swablu. Galarian Obstagoon. Oh, man. Altaria holographic. Three more packs, Johto Elite. Energy, Pierce, Malamar, Sharpedo, Roly-Coly, Galarian Zigzagoon, Weedle, Purloin winking at us, Pokeball, Nick at Night, Galarian Obstagoon. Oh no. This is not good. This is really not good, Johto Elite. Oh, goodness. There's the code. Oh, boy. Energy, Absol, Beedrill, Rotom Bike, Carvana, Ekans, Weedle, Galarian Lanoon, Scraggy, Potion, Full Art Trainer Hop. Alright. We'll take it. I'm laughing because I literally just pulled that not too long ago. Like a day ago. Alright. It's a pull. At least we'll be a little respected here. It's not a complete flop. Here's the code. Wow. This set really is almost unbearable at times. Energy. Buck. Kaboo. Suspicious Food Tin. Purloin. Pokeball. Inkay. Galarian Zigzagoon. Trubbish. Energy. Professor's Research. Wow. Johto Elite. That was rough. It's like you want Champion's Path, you need it, you want to open it, and then it just completely takes a crap on you. But we did pull the Hop, the Full Art Trainer, and then a lot of holos, which are guaranteed anyways. But wow. Without further ado, Johto Johnny is the name, Pokemon is the game. Johto Elite, please, please, please check out JDSTATECCM90's channel. They're amazing. They're such a great couple. Love them to death. Please, please, please check them out. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the Johtofication bell so you're always Johtofied. And thank you all, and have a great, great day.